Welcome to another Detector Testers Toolbox Talk tip. This week I'm covering care and maintenance of Testifire. As with any engineering test equipment, it's a good idea to look after the kit, keep it clean, and that way you can get many years of use out of it. Remove the inner cup, place it to one side, turn Testifire on, make sure clear is selected, so the left hand LED is non-illuminating. Hold the Testifire so that the duct is in the upper part of the test cup. Using a brush to brush it away, the dirt and the debris away from the duct and out. That way your cup stays clean. Thanks for watching. As always, if you've got any comments or suggestions for future Toolbox Talk tips, please leave suggestions below. And feel free to subscribe to keep up to date with notifications on any new videos that we release. As always, if you have been watching, thanks for watching.